Crop News, brought to you by the Kansas Association of Wheat Growers and Kansas Wheat Commission. Together, we are Kansas Wheat.
Hey Chad, good morning.
Good morning, how you doing?
I'm great.
Good.
Hey, this has to be my favorite time of the year.
It's exciting, man. We got everything greening up out there. Maybe the trees flowering a little bit. Yeah.
Hey, the one thing we always talk about is fertilizer and when to put it on and when not to put it on. More importantly, you've taught us over the last year when to put it on, more importantly, when not to put it on. The one thing that we haven't talked about is how to read one of those bags.
Right. When you look at a bag of fertilizer, there will always be 3 numbers, and those 3 numbers are mandated by law, so every bag of fertilizer has to show what's in it. And the first number that you see in relation to the bag is going to be nitrogen content. The second one is going to be phosphate, and the third one is going to be potash. And the second 2 are actually phosphate and potash are not all pure phosphorus or not all pure potassium, but it's an equivalent they use, so every fertilizer bag is rated equally. So you can't have one type of phosphorus and it actually holds more than another one. They all have to make sure that they're an equal standard.
Now, let's talk about this, because usually about springtime someone throws on a big first number, a lot of nitrogen, which creates a lot of green, and smaller back numbers. But we've talked that let's kind of hold off on that.
Yeah, the problem with spring, and the nice thing about spring, is we're all excited about our yards. Now, in fall, you know, we've stored all this energy into the root system, so all these carbohydrates are stored, and when spring comes around, hormones are sent to the plant, grow green, grow fast. Everybody's yard is going to be green and fast. If you add nitrogen to the mix, which is that first number, what happens is you start burning the reserves that you've stored, and we mow them right off. So the problem is that yes, if you fertilize in the spring, you will have a great looking yard for a month. And then it's going to quickly decline going into summer, the weeds start to hit it, and you don't understand how this wonderful yard you had early ran out of gas by summertime. So by holding off and just letting the natural spring hormones do their thing, a lot of us put down a winterizer in the fall, and that actually has stored some of that into the plant. Then we have high quality without pushing it, and that quality extends longer into the season. So it is right, you normally want to put down a first high number, but the earliest you'd want to put down an application would be May.
The same for preventing crabgrass. Because right now everybody, and you go to your big box stores and you see it. Something Builder 2. Crabgrass preventer. You put it on, and by midsummer you've got more crabgrass than you know what to do with. And we're not telling people to shop or what to buy. We're just kind of trying to give you some information.
And when you go, just be cautious that first number should be around 15 or lower. We don't want to push with too much nitrogen early. And then part of that nitrogen should be coated or from an organic source like the ones we use. So a slow release. So what happens is temperature now dictates when that nitrogen actually is released, not when you put it on. So you could go put on a 1505 like ours is, and where none of it's released until things warm up in May anyway, or April, May time frame, something like that. So you just want to be careful that you're not going in there with a 30% first number for your crabgrass control. You know, just keep it reasonable so that we're maybe only getting a 1/4 pound of actual nitrogen just to perk things up, and you will see a little response, but not detrimental to what you're trying to do.
It won't grow to your knees in 2 days.
Yeah, exactly. Well, I can't guarantee that. You know, the biggest thing with fertilizer, people love to misapply it. So yeah.